Okay, good morning, Clubhousers. This is for what day now? Hold on a second here. This is for the fourth day of Christmas. So we're going live. Second here, 8:21 a.m. Eastern. Go 3 times in the clubhouse. 8:22 a.m. Eastern. 1, 2. So 2 times. 8:22. Third and final random. Christine Pavlecki wins the fourth day. Time 8:22 a.m. Eastern. So Christine, I don't believe I've ever shipped anything to you, so I'll need your address. Done. Time 8:22 a.m. Eastern. Thanks, guys. Oh, how come it didn't show up? Oh, there it is.